Is it my audio video clear, Amma? Is it my audio video clear? Is it my audio video clear to you? Is it my audio video clear? Okay. In yesterday's session, by using Matplotlib, we discussed that how to draw this histogram, pie diagram, and we discussed that module called string module. Okay. Today we'll discuss on the string with the string module. We'll discuss some more examples on this. Some more examples. Okay. In this, we'll discuss an example like check if the string, check if that input string contains digits or not. Input string contains digits or not. We'll check that. For that first what we have to do, first import our module string here, import string here. For to check we are creating a function called check here, and parameter I'm giving here value here, value. After this we have to check each and every string, right? For example, each and every letter we have to check, right? That is the reason I'm giving here for loop letter in value. Why? Because if you given string contains digits or not, we have to check, right? Okay. While checking each letter, we have to check, right? That is the reason I'm taking this for loop here. Okay. For loop here. After checking that, here I will write one condition called if condition here. If letter not in string dot, for to check digits, guys, here I'm giving that hexa digits. Okay, hexa digits. Okay, hexadigits. What this for loop will do, if loop will do is, okay, if any, if any, if anything, anything other than hexadigits, hexadigit letter is present. Okay, if it is present, right? If it is present, it will return true. Otherwise, it return false, guys. Okay, it will return false here. Here we gave this condition, if condition here. After this, return true. Otherwise, return false here. Okay, if it is there, give false here. Otherwise, return true here. After this, we have to give input, right? We have to give input, right? For that, the reason, give input 1 equals to, input 1 equals to, I'm giving here this string. Okay, I'm giving this. Okay, after this, after this, print, I'm taking this input 1 here, input 1 comma, call your function, that's okay. Call your function. For to, we'll do one thing here. We'll take this colon here. For format, I'm taking that, and call your function check. Call your function check here. After this, for which, what is the input? What is our input here? What is our input here? I1, right? I1, right? If you give that, what happened here? It will check this given string. It has both digits, right? Some digits it have. That is the reason we are getting true. After this, give next input I2 equals to, I2 equals to, give some letters, guys. Okay, give some letters. If you take this print function here, one more thing, guys, why I took this colon here is for this format. We are giving input here and we are giving output also. Okay, but to separate with colon here, I gave this colon here, right? Separated with colon. After this same format, I'm giving here I2 dot, I'm giving here colon, put a comma here, call your function check of, give I2 here. What happened here? I got false. Why? Because this given string didn't have any digits. Okay, that is the reason we got false, guys. This is how we can check, guys. Okay, this is how we can check given string contains digits or not. Okay, please make a note of it, guys. Please make a note of it. I hope you guys completed this example. Amma. Okay. Next, we will discuss a function called cap words, guys. Okay. Function called cap words. What it will do is, we'll discuss that example. Import module string here, string here. After this, I'm taking one string here, guys. Okay. I'm taking here some string. Okay. Python is easy programming, easy programming language. I took this string here. After this, take this print statement. Okay. String dot use that cap word function, cap words, cap words. Okay. Cap words here. What is our string name here? Yeah, right. If you run that, if you run that, what it will do is cap words. For each word, it will divide, and each word first letter is there, right? It will what it will do? It will capital. It will convert it into capital letters. Guys. Okay. It will convert it into capital letters. If you observe here, in this given string, we gave small letters, right? Okay. What it happened? It will convert it into cap words. Guys. Okay. This is how we can do. Okay. Please make a note of it. Next, we will discuss one example by using string methods. Okay. By after this, we will end this session. Okay. We will discuss a example with the help of a string module. Okay. We'll discuss one example called password picker. Password picker, guys. Okay. How to pick a random password. Okay. For example, look at here, guys. First, for that, we are importing. First, import string here. Import. We are importing string module. Okay. With that, from random, we are importing all modules here. If you are giving anytime star here, right? Star means whatever in this random module, it contains some functions, right? Or methods, right? It will import all library you will get. Okay. If you give star means, okay. If you specify something means, it will only import that. Okay. In place of specifying something, if you give star, right? Okay. Star means it will import complete random library. Okay. After this, first I'm writing a statement. Welcome to password picker. Password picker here. I'm writing some statements, and after this, I'm writing here. Whether your password is, for example, I'm taking here adjectives, guys. Okay, adjectives like excellent. Okay, we will learn how to use that next. Okay, first we are creating some objects. Okay, we are creating some objects here. We will give in some objects here. For example, I'm taking our adjectives equals to excellent and very good. And I'm giving here bad. After this, I will take nouns like, I'm giving here J and Raj. I'm giving here. Okay. Next, I'm giving here Ram. Okay. Next, I'm giving here Ram. I gave this 4, and after this, I'm taking here digits equals to string dot digits. I'm taking object here. After this, I'm taking another object called special characters. In this password, we will have digits, we'll have string, we'll have characters, and we'll have special characters, right? All type of characters we have in password, right? That is the reason I'm taking digits one. After this, special characters we are taking here. Okay, special characters. For special characters, what we have to do? Strings dot punctuations. In that first class, we already discussed this too. Okay, punctuation. I'm taking here. First run this. That means this completed this. After this, this is the main, guys. Okay. After this, while while true, while true, that means whatever we are giving these conditions, right? Here, true. What I want is, okay, password equals to, here I'm taking here choice method is, okay, choice method I'm taking here, and I'm taking objective adjectives I'm taking here. After this, take plus here, take again choice here. Choice means it will pick something, one of that, okay, it will pick one of that. That is the reason I'm taking noun here. Okay, next I'm taking digits, choice I'm giving here digits, which I already created, guys, here. Okay, I'm taking that. Next, take plus here and take that special characters also. What is that? Special underscore char we gave. Okay, up to here I gave that password. After this, what I want is print a statement, guys. Okay, print a statement. Print a statement here. Okay, your password is, you will get your password here. Okay, you will get your password. After taking this choice, right, it will create one password, guys. Okay, you will get one password here. After this, print a statement. Next statement is, okay, do you want to generate new password? That means after creating password, it will ask you a question. Okay, you want to generate new password. Okay, new password if you given, right, if the response, take this response, guys. Okay, response equals to, I'm taking here input. Okay, I'm taking here entered as for new password, and no for, and obviously you can give like this. Okay, enter as for new password. If you obviously give that no, right, it will not generate. Okay, it will stop. Further give next one condition. What is the condition? If response in here I'm giving some words, guys. Okay, for example, if it is s, right, we will generate new password. First we will take no here. Okay, no here. For example, I'm giving here no means how many types we can enter no. Both letters will be small letters. And next one, n capital, o small letter. And next letter, n small letter, o capital. Okay, and both are in capital letters. In these four ways we can enter no, right? That is the reason I gave this Okay, guys. In 4 ways I can enter no, right? That is the reason in 4 times I enter this response here. After this, use break. Break means it will stop here. Okay, it will stop here. Okay, if you give S right, S right, I'm taking this elif response, response in. Okay, response in. Take the small letters first. Okay, I'm taking here only two conditions. Okay, small letters and capital letters. Small letters and capital letters here. If it is S, continue. Continue means it will go to next step. Okay, will go to next step. Else, else I'm taking here print, print, enter, enter. Either S or either S or no. The S or no. If you run that, first it will print. It's created one password, guys. Okay, it's created already one password. Okay, it's created one password by using what we created adjectives here, noun, digits, and special characters. With that four, it's created a one password. What it's asking you is, do you want to generate a new password? For example, if I give S, right? Okay, again it will generate a password, guys. Okay, again it will generate a new password. Okay, again it asking you, do you want to generate a new password? If you give no, right, it will stop there. If you give no there, it will stop there. Okay, guys, this is how we can do. Okay, guys, I hope you guys understood this example. If it is yes, it will generate a new password here, and if it is no, it will stop generating. Okay, I hope you guys understood this example. Okay, please make a note of it. Okay, password picker. Please make a note of it. So this is what about our string module, okay? And we will end this session, guys, okay? This is what about Python, and the strings also I told you from extra also, okay? Extra data. Please do practice daily, guys, okay? And after learning, you have to practice more, okay? What I'm telling is 1%. I'm telling you, okay? You guys have to practice more, okay? This is what about Python session, guys, okay? And thank you, guys, okay? And I will share this file to you. Wait a moment. Yes, in chat box, I'm sharing this file. Okay, please take this. Okay. Please take that link, guys. Okay, and we will end the session. Thank you, guys.